butter.
Happening this Thursday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time.
Right now I'm in the kitchen and I just woke up. Yes. I've been up since 3, so, and I've been up and driving since 3 a.m. So I get a pass. So I'm just gonna make breakfast right now. I really don't know what I'm making yet. Maybe an egg sandwich. So just gonna do that, and yeah, let's go. Let's see what we got. Before we get started, I have to clean everything behind me, so why not? Let's unload the dishwasher and then put them in their place, and then we can start making the food, because I don't like anything dirty around me. So yeah, we're gonna do that first. Alright, the sink is clean. Now we can at least start making the food. So I'm gonna use jerky bacon. It's the only kind of bacon that I have right now. So yeah, let me prep and then I'll be back. The camera died while making this, so this is the sandwiches and this is the matcha latte that I made. I made it with protein shake, that way nutritious. Yeah, so that's perfect. So here's the closet. I just came and started fixing it. These are the tools. I had to clean it up, don't mind the mess. So yeah, it's coming great. They're gonna change the racks that goes right here on those thingies, and then they'll come back to finish. My clothes have been in the living room for the past week because it fell off on Friday, so over the weekend I put them all on my couch, and then yeah, this whole week they've been on the couch for nothing. So yeah, and this is my room and it's a mess, so can't wait to fix everything. Yay. Hi guys, we're back, and I have the sudden urge to clean up my room, and looking at it, it's a process. As you guys know, my closet fell off and I had to take everything out, and they fixed it yesterday, and so today tonight it is, it's not that late. It is 6:32. It is 6:32. So let me give you guys a view of what the room looks like and what my bed specifically looks like, and I still got some stuff out in the living room. I already changed my pants into something that's comfortable, so I think I'm gonna do that for my shirt also because it's hot in here. So let me give you guys an overview of the bedroom, what it looks like right now, and then the closet where everything's gonna go depends on how I want to do it. All right, let's go. All right, so this is what the bed is looking like. This is the floor and all the shoes over there and my luggage, and this is what the closet looks like so far. I put some summer clothes away, so yeah, we're gonna fill it all up. This whole space is gonna be filled up with things, so yeah. All right guys, so I changed into something more comfortable. So I'm gonna take this bag and put it in a vacuum sealed bag. That way everything is compact and doesn't take much space. So yeah, let's get into that. And I also have this gold case that I have to take everything out of and try to fit everything that's gonna be in the, try to take everything that's already in there and put it in the bag and make sure it fits in here. So yeah, I'm just gonna speed through this, and yeah, because it's gonna be a long night. all the air is out of it, and I'm just gonna stuff it into my suitcase that's here, and then I'm just gonna put the suitcase inside the closet. I don't know why I'm so out of breath, guys, but apparently this took all my breath away. So let's see how we go do this. Just on my toe. So great. Nope. There's no way that this is gonna be in there, so I have to think of another way. But I don't really have space for all of these things, so I have to figure out what to do with it, because I put the other one up there and they are both heavy, and I don't want the same thing that happened with the closet before to happen again. So I'm really trying to alleviate the weight off of it. So I'm just gonna leave that off for now, and then just everything that's already ready to go on the racks, I think I'm just gonna put those on the racks. That way I know where everything is going. So yeah, let's do that. Let's really get that done. I'm gonna combine those bags into one, and then everything else that needs to go up there will just go up there. All right, so yeah, we're gonna leave the suitcase for later. So all right, so let me set you guys up that way you can see what I'm doing, and that way you can see what I'm doing and see where everything is going. So let's see how I can set it up inside this itty bitty closet. So I actually have an idea, and I don't know how this is gonna play out. So I have this wall right there, and then I have that wall, and I want to put everything that I wear on a regular basis on this wall, and then everything else I want to put it on that wall. But is it gonna work? I don't know. So I'm just gonna put the bins first, and I think the clothing bins, I'm gonna put it up here, and then the sheets, comforters, and my towel bin, I'm just gonna put it up here with everything else that is extra. So yeah, I think that should do it. So let's go. So this is what the overhead space looks like right now. This will be everything else that's on the bed right now, and the clothes will come tomorrow because your girl is tired. So we're gonna keep going tomorrow. Bye.